What should a person know before becoming an insurance agent? Ask yourself these questions. 1. Are you okay with engaging with complete strangers at the risk of being rejected? 2. Can you see yourself selling products that you cannot control and can change dramatically every 6 months? I strongly believe that if your answer to these 2 questions is no, then being an insurance agent, or any other sales position that only pays commission, is not for you. If you answer to these questions as yes, then do some research on the different insurance companies that are out there. All insurance companies have different programs and courses of education for new agents. For example, Farmers Insurance has a new program called the Protégé Program. In this program you will launch under an existing agent and work for them as an insurance producer. If you meet the quota for 2 years you will be offered an opportunity to become an agent or continue on as the insurance producer for that agent. You will be given an hourly wage as well as a percentage of the commission for every policy that you sell. The main downside to this program is if you choose to launch as an agent, all policies sold will stay with the other agent you were under. The positive takeaway from this is if you have no experience you will get the training and experience you need. But do your research and see what the programs or options other insurance companies have. Becoming an insurance agent may sound easy but it's not. You have to be a master of many skills. The first one is a detailed understanding of insurance products. Unless and until you don't know the product is detailed, you'll not be able to convince the buyers for it. If you have past experience in dealing with insurance products then this would be an added advantage. But, if you're a greenhorn then you can go for some training programs as well. Then comes, the eloquence and communication skills. You have to have great communication skills because talking is what you would be doing half of the time in this job profile. After that, you should be confident and great persuasive skills. You should also get yourself registered. It all depends on what your past experience is, and what you need to gain going forward. Some captive companies like Farmers have a great training program for those that don't have previous insurance experience. Insurance itself is much like any other sales career. It usually takes a while to get going, and can take an extended period of time to make a good income. You have to be fairly thick-skinned, as most people think of insurance agents in the same class as door-to-door vacuum salesmen. Some companies require a certain amount of cold calling to start out with, so you can imagine how well that goes over with some. All that being said, insurance is a relationship business. You need to have the ability to foster relationships with those people that you may not otherwise associate with. While it is a sales position, you need to be able to put aside your desire for income and always do what's right for the client. The position is not overly exciting or sexy, but it allows you to do more for people than their best friends can, when they need it the most. It is essentially a sales position. To succeed, you will need to master prospecting in a variety of forms. In all of these forms, there will be rejection. Learn to deal with that, and you have a good chance of reaching success, after at least 2 years and maybe more of hard work.